We're BioLite, and today we're out to redesign a classic outdoor wearable and see it in a whole new light. Introducing the BioLite headlamp, an ultra-thin 330 lumen USB rechargeable headlamp featuring 3D slim fit construction that makes your hands-free light wildly capable and so comfortable you'll forget you're wearing it. The 3D slim fit construction is based on 3 dimensions of a perfect fit: a flush front, better balance, and smart fabrics. Seamlessly integrated housing merges the electronics directly into the band, creating an ultra-thin front that sits flush on your forehead with no bouncing. By reorienting the battery to the back, we keep the weight off the front of your face, reducing slippage and creating a more natural fit. And the entire headlamp features moisture-wicking fabric that keeps you cool and dry during activity. Clocking in at only 69 grams, the headlamp features 4 modes and the ability to control your light through easy dimmability. One-handed articulation enables your light to move with you without any disruption. With easy recharging via micro USB and runtimes of up to 40 hours, you can ditch the battery swaps and power up with the BioLite Energy ecosystem.
5.
You've probably seen survival kits on the market. And while these are nice to have, they don't provide the best protection and life essentials everyone requires or wants. That's why we invented the Ultimate Survival Package, a fully self-contained portable survival package specifically designed for everyone. Constructed out of rugged injected molded plastic, it can withstand the harshest of environments. All units come with a separate backpack and a water flotation device. The wheels fold flat for easy stacking and are large and wide enough to roll over very tough terrain and sand. The bottom instantly transforms into a wagon to haul necessities like water, food, and even children. We even included a cutting board to prepare meals, and also have an optional solar box cooker upgrade. Pulling the handle out reveals a hidden combination machete and saw. When used in the field, the Ultimate Survival Package transforms into a makeshift home to keep you off the ground, safe and dry. It even comes with a self-inflated sleeping pad. It can also be used as a stretcher to transport anyone in your group who has been injured. While we never hope for a disaster, we do hope everyone is prepared for when they strike. We encourage you to join us in ordering one or more at a special discounted price just for Kickstarter. You'll be joining the elite ranks of those who are actually disaster prepared. And you'll be glad you have it when disaster strikes next.
3. The Tiny Survival Guide is a treasure chest full of the life-saving tips, tactics, and skills you need to survive almost anything, all in a compact, credit card-sized micro guide at less than 1 ounce. Tiny Survival Guide is designed for everyday carry in your wallet, pocket, purse, pack, emergency kit, or glove box, so you can carry it everywhere, all the time. Inside, you'll learn how to survive wilderness mishaps, civil unrest, surprise attacks, natural disasters, nuclear, biological, and chemical events, abduction, hostage and terror threats, active shooter situations, vehicle accidents, hiking, camping, and hunting emergencies, and a lot more. Packed with 175 expert tips, 101 detailed illustrations, 67 life-saving skills, 24 essential gear checklists, and 10 killer mistakes you must avoid. This is one tough guide. Designed in the USA and crafted in the UK, the Tiny Survival Guide is fashioned from hybrid, tear-resistant, and weather-repelling materials, found in some of the world's toughest wilderness maps. A great resource for almost anyone who doesn't want to be blindsided by the unexpected. The Tiny Survival Guide is perfect for folks who like to hike, camp, hunt, fish, backpack, go for a Sunday drive, a walk in the park, or explore exotic destinations. Add our new patent-pending Tiny Survival Card to your Tiny Survival Guide for a unique last-ditch toolkit that fits in your wallet. Fashioned from US-made hardened 302 stainless steel, the Tiny Survival Card contains 17 hard-to-improvise tools, including a mini spear point knife, an arrowhead, 3 needles, a finger drill, 6 fishing hooks, tweezers, a fully functional fine and medium saw, a button lure, and 2 micro harpoons. The Tiny Survival tool travels on a magnetic base, so you can use a tool and then replace it on the magnet for storage, making it easy to pre-sharpen the knife and place it back on the magnet ready for use. As you can see, the Tiny Survival Guide is much more than just another survival guide. It's a compact, everyday carry, credit card-sized life insurance policy in your pocket. This is the Tiny Survival Guide.
I could barely breathe.
We had to leave.
Nobody had time to react.
These stories, these images, becoming all too familiar. And it's time we prepare. Introducing the Rhino Ready Companion, the world's best 2-person, 72-hour emergency survival system. Stocked with over 40 life-saving products, the Rhino Ready Companion is built to withstand anything that comes your way, big or small, giving you unparalleled access, versatility, and organization when it matters most. For the last decades, when you think of preparedness, pretty much this, leaving you vulnerable and unprepared. And that's exactly why we started Rhino Ready, because you shouldn't have to compromise on quality, especially when your safety and the safety of those you love are at stake. So regardless of your climate or geo, we've got you covered when adversity strikes. The Companion features the toughest waterproof and fire-resistant materials, a rigid exoskeleton, and military-grade Hypalon attachment points, giving you ultimate carrying capacity. Now, let's take a look inside. Stay connected with our 3-in-1 phone charger, radio, and flashlight, powered by crank or solar. Breathe easy with our N95 masks, along with heat-reflective UV guard goggles to keep your vision sharp. With a sturdy multi-tool and 550 paracord at the ready, along with our full tang blade and fire starter, you will be well equipped. Stay hydrated with these 3 options: tablets, sachets, and boiler. When things get tough, our kit has you covered. And if you ever need additional assistance, we are here to help with the most compact, comprehensive survival guide out there. When things get a bit colder, stay warm with 3 layers of protection, 2 pairs of winterized work gloves, and 4 hand warmers. And when the lights go out, you're powered on with a flashlight, headlamp, glow sticks, and stormproof matches. If you get hungry, Our Daytrex U.S. Coast Guard approved food rations are non-GMO and nut-free. The Rhino Ready companion survival system uses unmatched quality with an ultra-compact design to fit seamlessly into your daily life, ready at a moment's notice. So, whether it's in your car, home, or office, bring us along for the journey.